Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'll be sharing with you about Epoxy Resin. A two-part system consists of part A, resin, and part B, hardener, or the other way around. The standard mixing ratio between the resin and hardener is 2:1. Upon fully cured, epoxy resin will give you a crystal clear or water clear finishing, good transparency, water resistance, and commonly applied to woodworking, tabletops, home decorations, art and crafts, and many other applications. Introducing Otter brand epoxy resin and hardener, available in 2-pack size, 1 kg of resin and hardener and 5 kg of resin and hardener. Can be further divided into 2 types, fast drying, which require 7 hours onwards, and slow drying, 10 hours onwards. Not forgetting Otter brand highly concentrated water-based pigment that comes in 8 colors: black, green, blue, pink, white, red, yellow, and gold. Let's do a simple experiment using Otter brand epoxy resin. For fast drying, the mixing ratio will be 1 part of resin and 0.6 part of hardener. To begin, you need a container. This is a transparent acrylic container with a measuring size of 100 mm in width, 200 mm in length, and height of 40 mm. Next, you need a mixing bowl for the resin and hardener. And the most important, a weighing scale. First, we need to batch 200 grams of resin with 120 grams of hardener. Mix it well. Get your plastic container ready. Pour in the epoxy resin. Do you know what is this? These are slices of bakau tree from mangrove forest. So we're going to put inside the container. Adding more epoxy resin. After cutting and sanding, watch closely. Whoa! Look at this. We're going to try again on the other side. Watch closely again. Whoa! So beautiful. Look at this again. Look at this amazing piece of epoxy resin art. I'm very sure that all of you are eagerly to find out and try it out yourself. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos and more videos on epoxy resin art. Bye bye for now.